Show guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. Welcome back to our show guys. Ama numbers of Speaker Now right now are reach 1.8. So ama subs lawo so thina sawa appreciate kakhulu because le channel kade wabona ama flames. So siyabonga kubantu abasupport i-channel. But ke namhlanje bengifuna ukuthi senze i-reaction yengoma nje ephumile kaNkosazana Dotha. uNkosazana Dotha samazi when it comes to ama hit song igama lakhe lokho elivelile. So there is a song abayikhiphile i-Afrotech. So the reason why ngifuna ukwenza i-reaction ale ngoma is because i-Afrotech i-3 step. So uNkosazana Dotha simazi kakhulu ngepiano. So I think anything akayithashayo like vele ibe igolide because khona ingoma asandokenza nje no limits nala besike sayenza i-reaction now as uSpeaker Now. So nayo ihamba ngamawala. I think right now ila ko 800k if I'm not mistaken mhlawumbe ili-reachile million because ihamba fast. So ingoma hit song ngamaskandi and right now ukhipha ingoma yakhe ke le and yakhe straight ile inalo sisilobizwa ngoNobuhle. So igama ibizwa emsakazweni i-Afrotech i-3 step and ngizwile ukuthi yo I think this one izoba big ngo December because already 2025 uwela kakhulu kwi-3 step ama hit song amaningi ila majida lawa abhizi ne-3 step. So I think i-South Africa ine talent elisimanga because like last year besinabantu abaphopha kuma piano but this year vele kwavuka i-3 step esikhaleni and yenza manga. So uNkosazana Dotha ufitha anyway mawukhona ingoma etrendayo like amapiano uzoba khona makhona even nezama scandal. So bethi nje ngifuna simeze ama flowers akhe as uSpeaker Now because no why italent lakhe akagauge. I think ayikho ingoma nje engisengangayizwe uNkosazana Dotha like miss noma iflop. So nje bekithi simvume kakhulu usisi Liwana nayo ivoice yakhe no why imelodic nje ngalendlela and abantu abaningi bafike behlale kuyona but there's something special about this song like abo mina angifuni uqamba manga. I'm not a big fan of i-3 step noma i-Afrotech. Ngiyayithanda like mhlawumbe uyilalela mhlawumbe ekseni but mangifika kwi-groove nami angifuni ingoma ethe kuba abo ezinetempo ethe kuba hype because I feel like angathi i-3 step like even though zibajayivisa abantu but like inokuchilla angathi ungaba sendaweni yabo mhlawumbe neskepe nolwandle yabo like ube sendaweni right ungavela ulalela i-3 step ubhizi lapho upintshe eTexini like I think ayenzi senze ngaleyo ndlela. So mina i-3 step nginakho lokhu ingabaza but I think iyakhula kakhulu mhlawumbe nakumina izogcina sengenile. So nje mangilalela le ngoma nami ngivele ngibone kulezi kwala ama festival abawenza labantu be-Afrotech because bayabantu abahleleke kakhulu ba-organize like abantu abafana nabo Shimza nabo DJ Melon. So ikhona event yenza lapha eDurban ibiza nge-Anyway Inno City. So uNkosazana Dotha I think le ngoma akayikhiphile ikhandwe le audience abantu abashaya lezandawo lezo okunye yabona o-UNR abo lezi ndawo lezi abantu abe-Afrotech abantu abangasabana ngospend imali 2,500 bavele bilikhiphe same time. So I think nje yileyo ngoma yabo lo but hayi ngoma ngizwile. I think i-radio izofika ihlale ngempela because ingoma ithi emsakazweni and ikhethi ngalendlela but hayi i-produce khona lo muntu onofisa rishiwe khona ngimazi igama lakhe but I think ikhonto special nayo but unobuhle benoNkosazana Dotha no lapho wayo benza manga. So uSpeaker Now I think leyo kumele singabadlela umona sibaneze noma u10 out of 10. uNkosazana Dotha I know awuyapheka sis awuyapheka uyalwa straight. So sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Now, ku Facebook Speaker Now, sikhona ku Instagram noma singajwayele nje ku TikTok Speaker Now. Away we out.